everybody, so hopefully you liked that intro that I did. But today's video that I'm making is another Roblox video. But today we're trying out something different. We're doing All Engines Go stuff. Yeah, if you don't know what All Engines Go is, it's just like Thomas Season 25, yeah. And we're in this game, in this Thomas and Friends All Engines Go Roblox game. And this one is called Happy Birthday to Reboot Thomas. And by the way, we have, what is here? Looks like it's just Boar Railway Series Thomas crying. Someone's trying to fix him or something, I don't know. I don't know if you guys look. Whenever I get into this Thomas, it just goes glitchy. Just the wheels go glitch. See? If I drive him and they go glitchy. Okay, and here we have CBR2 Thomas, I guess. We can drive him forwards and backwards. And this is one guy from For the Kids. All Engines Go Thomas. Okay, but also I think, I don't know if they're scared kids about these, I don't know, train, I don't know, whatever. And look, there's just like two houses, and look, I just want to tell you something. Look what's up there. It says Thomas and Friends TM. And guys, look, I'm gonna walking to that part, that blue thing. Also, what is this here? It looks like a Thomas with wings or something, or is that hands? Let's see, what are these? So it's a Thomas with hands, I guess. And there's just stuck in it. Nice, weird boy. And look, we have like All Engines Go Percy and Thomas. And look, if you go inside of them, then look, you disappear. And also there's a way to move them. Well, only Percy. I think you can only do it in Percy. I don't know. But look, here's something funny. If you drive All Engines Go Thomas into the house, you just crash into it. Accidental, I'm just like that. Okay. Now I'm the invisible Ascent going up this house. Is it a tree house or something? I don't know. Whoa, I fell. Also, this is pretty Christmassy. Okay, there's All Engines Go Thomas again. And guys, now we are going straight to the top of Knapford. But before we do that, we'll respawn ourselves because I'm invisible. Because I was like, invisibility on! Whenever I just get into All Engines Go for Thomas or Percy. Okay, now clicking, since I teleport. Okay, so I teleport somewhere for a second, and oh no, I fell! Look, if I teleport here, then look, this is the same Thomas that you can drive. That you can't drive, and this was the Thomas that we saw before. He's saying help me, and this Thomas that you can drive is saying don't worry. Maybe you can drive now? Oh no. Okay, thank you, game. Oh, I'm in him, yay! Go, 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 go! Oh man, it didn't work. Okay, on to the next All Engines Go game. Okay guys, this next game that we're playing is Thomas versus Reboot Thomas. So it's Thomas versus Reboot Thomas. Okay. I'm tired of seeing you, said Thomas. Oh no, I derailed. Accidents can happen just like that. Oh. Okay. I'm stronger than you combined. No! Don't do it! It's painful. Don't do it, no! Oh god, guys. Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna fall off too! Which can we do? Front couple. Woo! That was a close one. We didn't fail. Now for all engines go reboot Thomas. Here comes Thomas on the number 1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through! Ha ha! Yeah, woo! Down the hills and round the wall! Dun, dun. All engines go! Whee! Funny indeed. Very funny. And also, the checkpoint that we got is just this circle checkpoint. And also here was this, and look, there's a grave, there's a flowers, and it says RIP season, RIP season 25 Thomas. Will not be missed. 2020 to 2021. What even is this? Okay, let's go again. Okay. It was a lovely day on the island of Sodor. Thomas was going to Knapford Station when cinders and ashes. Screech! Hey yo, are you the real season 25 Thomas? Yes, I am. Go away. No. Well, how about should we couple up? That's a bad idea. And yes, that is a bad idea. They both got coupled up. And then Thomas pushed season 25 Thomas. No, don't do it. No. 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 Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait, I'm still coupled up. Oh no, I'm gonna fall as well. I don't wanna. And then his driver immediately uncoupled Thomas into season 25 Thomas. Busted my buffers. I never want to go down there again, he said. RIP season 25 Thomas. Wait. Did anything happen? Let's see. I don't know what happened. Did anything happen? Let's see. What does Thomas look like? He still looks the same to me. Alright guys, I guess that's all. I guess that's all gonna be for this video now, I guess. So, this is all for this video. So, if you like it, like and subscribe. Click the bell notification, select all. We'll see you next time. Bye bye!